Welcome back to Uncover Jamaica, where we explore the hidden gems of this beautiful island. Today you're in for a treat. We took a trip diving headfirst into the spirited, world-renowned Appleton Estate. So a lot of you may or may not know this, but Appleton Estate is located in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, and it is one of the oldest rum producers in Jamaica, with a heritage that spans over 2 centuries. The distillery has maintained traditional methods of rum production, which gives its rums a unique and authentic character. So yes, they're one of the best rum producers in the world. Upon entering the estate and purchasing our tickets, we arrived in the lobby very nicely furnished and the sultry tunes of nice reggae music being played.
You trust me?
No.
You don't trust me?
Mm-mm.
Alright, you're not gonna trust me because you know me for the first time. But can I share something with you?
Sure, go ahead.
You have several times a person come and in the same stage as you. I know one, but what we did? Like something like very light. The alcohol percentage is very low. See? Alright. So
I don't know if that.
compared to what I always put in, you're gonna trust me. For the first time. After this, we are friends, alright?
What's your name, sir? Terry.
We started off strong with a free drink, courtesy of the master mixologist there. I got a glass of pure Caribbean sunshine, what I called liquid vacation. At the beginning of the tour, we took a walk down history lane where our tour guide gave us a little history lesson on the earliest years of sugar production. Take a listen. I don't know about you guys, but the tour of this estate caught me by surprise. Just have a look for yourselves.
That's how the cane looked in the 16th century after the sugarcane juice was extracted. Today, this is what it looks like. It is shredded, and this is called bagat. It can be used to make bagasse board. Some of you may know it as particle board, compress board, or chipboard. Appleton Estate goes to waste. So what we do, we burn the fiber, and the ashes we use as fertilizers in our Sugarcane consists of 75% water, 10 to 16% sugar, cane in the mill. My volunteers, you're going to make your way around extracting the sugarcane juice, alright? Guys, they're going to need your support. Not one. All right. Good job. What is it?
After the sweet dance and a sip of sweet sugarcane juice, it was time for some sweet science. Our tour went further on to where the molasses is kept, the dark, sticky goodness that's a crucial ingredient in rum making. Back in the day, they called it liquid gold. Now things got a little funky, literally, where the magic of fermentation happens. It's like a tropical party for yeast. They gobble up the sugars and leave behind a bubbly potion that smells like victory.
On the estate, dilute the molasses because it's too sweet and thick. We then add yeast. This yeast is developed on the Appleton Estate. The alcohol vaporizes. This produces 30% alcohol vapor. The 30%.
Take it from me, it's an experience you'd want to have for yourself. We took a stroll into the aging warehouse. It's like a secret hideout for barrels of awesomeness. Barrels of rums are stored here, some centuries old, to gradually release the unique flavors and taste of the final products.
All right, everyone. So we have several warehouses here in Jamaica. The largest warehouse is located in Kingston, and that can hold up to 40,000 barrels. In total, we have approximately 200,000 barrels of aged rum. And we age our rum in #1 select 40-gallon American white oak barrels. That's the highest grade barrel available.
After the adventures of cane juice sipping, molasses tasting, and rum drinking, well, not in a literal sense, we feasted on some lunch, refreshments, and a chance to view the historic artifacts stored and showcased at this great estate. And there you have it. Our whirlwind tour of the Appleton Estate comes to an end. We laughed, we learned, and most importantly, we tasted some of the finest rums in the Caribbean. Thanks for watching this episode of another adventurous tour. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more Jamaican shenanigans, and stay tuned for our next adventure here on Uncover Jamaica.